Friends and family gathered at the All Saints Cathedral in Nairobi on Monday to mourn Mzee Tobiko Ole Paloshe, the father of Environment Cabinet Secretary Keriako Tobiko, who died on the 15th of May, aged 96. Tobiko was remembered as a strict father, expected perhaps of a Maasai man. He was also eulogized as a humble, hardworking man who cherished education and shunned ethnic practices that were detrimental to the girl child's development. Tobiko had been diagnosed with advanced colon cancer back in 2002, but rigorous chemotherapy kept him alive. He eventually succumbed to kidney and heart-related conditions.